Bonjour, welcome everybody for the first lesson of our complete French course for beginners. Just let me quickly introduce you to the course for it to be easier for you to understand. In total, we will have 24 lessons every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday during 8 weeks in total. Apart from this video lesson, we have a support group on Telegram where you will be able to download all the extra PDF we have prepared for you and practice with all the other participants who want to learn French from scratch for free. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you know someone who wants to start learning French. Okay, let's go. Let's dive in. Introduction. Here we go. Bonjour and welcome. If you're a complete beginner in French, you are in the right place, my friend. Today, we'll learn 4 essential questions to introduce yourself in French and how to answer them. Don't worry, I'll speak slowly and explain everything in English. Make sure you have something to write and let's go. C'est parti. On attaque. So, first question. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Which means, what's your name? Repeat after me. Comment tu t'appelles? A bit faster. Comment tu t'appelles? To answer this question, we will say Je m'appelle Vincent. Vincent is my name. My name is Vincent. Repeat after me. Je m'appelle and your name. Je m'appelle Vincent. Your turn. Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? Can you answer that in French? Great. Fantastic. Je m'appelle is literally I call myself Vincent. Je m'appelle Vincent. Question number 2. Allez, allez, let's go. We will do a little recap at the end, no worries. Question number 2. Quelle est ta nationalité? What's your nationality? Repeat after me. Quelle est ta nationalité? A bit faster. Quelle est ta nationalité? You go. Super. Great. To answer that question, we will say Je suis français. Je suis français. I am French. Repeat after me. Just use français, French for now. Je suis français. Again, a bit faster. Je suis français. Fantastic. You will find your nationality in the extra content that we have in the private group. All the links you need are in the description of this video to have access to the group, the PDF, and practice with other person. Okay, let's go to our third question and answer to introduce ourselves. Numéro 3, question number 3. Quelle est ta profession? Quelle est ta profession? What's your job? What do you do? What is your occupation? Repeat after me. Quelle est ta profession? Once again, a bit faster. Quelle est ta profession? Super. To answer that question, we will again use the verb être. Je suis professeur de français. I'm a French teacher. Once again, repeat after me and use the same occupation. Let's say you guys are French teacher, okay? Allez. Repeat after me. Je suis professeur de français. Once again, je suis professeur de français. Fantastic. That's amazing. You will find your occupation or more different adjective of occupation in the extra content in the Telegram group. Okay, people, let's go. Question number 4, answer number 4. We almost at the end of the first lesson, but we will do a recap of everything and repeat everything step by step, petit à petit. Allez, question number 4. Let's go. Tu viens d'où? Tu viens d'où? Which means, where are you from? But literally, you come from where? Tu viens d'où? Repeat after me. Tu viens d'où? Faster. Tu viens d'où? Super. How to answer that question? We can use the verb to be, être, or the verb come. Je suis de Pau. Je viens de Pau. Je suis de Pau. Je viens de Pau. Which means I'm from Pau. That's the city where I was born. I come from Pau. Now repeat after me. Je suis de and your town. You can say your town in your mother tongue, and later you will find more content in the PDF, in the Telegram group. Je suis de Pau. Your turn. And with the other possibility, with the verb to come, venir, repeat after me. Je viens de Pau. Bit faster. Je viens de Pau. Guys, that's amazing. Okay, look at that. Let's do a little recap all together. First question and answer. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Vincent. Quelle est ta nationalité? Je suis français. Quelle est ta profession? Je suis professeur de français. Tu viens d'où? Je suis ou je viens de Pau. Now repeat all four with me. No worries if it's complicated. It's completely normal. Step by step. Okay, let's do all four together. We do one line with the question and the answer, and you repeat it. Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Vincent. Your turn. Number two. Quelle est ta nationalité? Je suis français. À vous. Number three. Quelle est ta profession? Je suis professeur de français. You go. Number four. Tu viens d'où? Je suis de Pau. Your turn. Fantastique, magnifique, bravo. Toutes mes félicitations. Now, what? What do we do now? Well, you guys go to the Telegram group. You have the link in the description of this video. Download all the material. You have plenty of material coming with every single lessons. Do the exercise of grammar, vocabulary, and phonetics. Write the key sentences in your cahier, your notebook, and tell everybody you speak French, and obviously wait for the next lesson. Guys, I'm super happy for you. That's amazing. This is your first lesson in French. Woo! Bravo. Félicitations. Bon travail. That's amazing. Woo! Okay, guys, we see you in 2 days for lesson number 2. Salut!